Hi, my name is Cindy, and I work in loyalty and motivational incentives, and I've been there for 5.5 years.
My name is Marty. I am a financial advisor. I've been in the financial services industry around 15 years.
I'm Flary. I'm a banker. I'm client services manager, and I've been working at the bank for over 20 years.
My name is Ron. I work in IT for an international corporation, and I've been doing it for 15 years.
Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been in the automotive maintenance business for about 17 years.
Hi, my name's Yuri. I work in a high-volume call center, and I've been in the industry for about 10 years.
It really started young, and it was with my mom. She had the mantra of treat others how you want to be treated.
She taught me how to respect people and also to be respected.
My father was a policeman in a small town. I specifically remember an incident where there was trouble, and he was not on duty. We were at this event, and people were running away from what was happening, and my father got out of the car and ran towards it. He was a problem solver.
My dad was Air Force veteran. Whatever particular part of the country that I went to, I had to listen a lot because I wanted to try to figure out what the culture was like in that particular part of the country. So I think that really helped with my listening skills and identifying what people are all about.
We were always encouraged to get into sports. We were encouraged to be a Brownie, be a Girl Scout, be outgoing, do things. And then also we were competitive with each other.
When I was 13, I used to go with my dad to the bank. And between him and I, we will deal with the transactions at the bank. And sometimes, for the benefit of my dad, I would pretend that I did not understand the questions or the answers or what was going on, so that my dad would have a benefit of having the person repeat it until he gets it.
I have a high standard of how I would like to be treated, whether it's by my friends, my family, or when going into a place to receive service.
The golden rule, treat them as you would like to be treated, which I've learned over the years has paid off. It makes for better relationships.
I'm typically up, and I'm fun to be around, and I like to listen. And I think being a good listener is very important.
I'm a hardworking team player, and I'm consistent and the same person day in, day out.
I am success-driven. I'm results-driven. I don't like to lose. I'm extremely competitive.
I'm a people person. I'm a good communicator.
I have always been successful when it came to customer service because of the way I was raised. My parents made sure that me and all of my brothers and sisters understood what it meant to be polite. We're taught to open doors for people. And with that, I fell into the customer service business because I understood what it meant to actually just treat people the way I wanted to be treated.
I currently manage 8 individuals, and we are responsible for the training and quality for over 400 representatives.
I do a lot of prospecting. I make business calls, both in person and by phone. I develop new business relationships for the bank. I open accounts. I manage and service those accounts.
My day-to-day tasks usually include providing first and second level technical support. I receive calls over the phone. I provide face-to-face support. People will come up to talk to me. I will go desk side and talk to people. I also provide electronic communication, support through email, support through instant messaging, hardware support, software support, sometimes moral support. And that's the main focus of it, but it's all just to help keep our business going.
I currently run 6 locations. We are in the automotive maintenance business, so people come to us for their car needs. So on a daily basis, I am responsible for mentoring roughly 70 employees. We're open 7 days a week. We're there for our customers. I am also responsible for all aspects of the business. I'm responsible for net revenue, customer service. I deal with customers. I deal with employees.
During a normal day, would take somewhere between 90 to 100 calls. And it's just about actively listening to the customer, showing empathy, and yet at the same time adhering to the policies within my company.
My days revolved around the markets worldwide. So first thing in the morning, greeting people, seeing what's laying on my desk, if there's anything my assistant's putting in front of me that needs to be taken care of immediately. I may have something left over from the prior day. and just really hit the ground running. I'm on the phone a lot.
A lot of people in call center and customer service, it is a stepping stone to other places in the company. At least that's how people see it. And everyone's always trying to get out of, customer service or the call center. And I'm like, why does anybody want to get out of customer service? It's great to be able to help people every single day.
I like customer satisfaction because I like to satisfy people. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel good about myself. As for my employees, I like to see them succeed. So I love working with my employees.
Providing good customer service, getting those feedbacks have led to accolades, have led to good recognition, which also lead to other benefits as well.
I look forward to being able to come into an organization each day, be a part of a team, perform at a high level, and help others.
As I reflect back, I think that's it. I like to run towards the problems.